Welcome to this tutorial on setting up an Axie Infinity Ronin wallet. To get started, you will need a computer or mobile device with internet access. First, go to the Ronin wallet website and click on the download button to install the Ronin wallet extension on your browser. Once the extension is installed, click on the Ronin icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a new wallet. You will be asked to create a password and set up your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is a list of words that can be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access. Make sure to write down your seed phrase and store it in a safe place. Next, you will be asked to set up your wallet name and password. Choose a name and password that are easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. After setting up your wallet, you will see your Ronin wallet address. This address is used to receive cryptocurrency and assets. To connect your Ronin wallet to Axie Infinity, go to the Axie Infinity website and click on the Login button. Select Ronin wallet as your login method and you will be redirected to the Ronin wallet extension. Click on the Connect button to link your Ronin wallet to your Axie Infinity account. After connecting your wallet, you can start using it to manage your Axie Infinity assets. You can use your Ronin wallet to buy and sell Axies, land, and other in-game items. You can also use it to send and receive cryptocurrency. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to keep your seed phrase and password safe. Never share your seed phrase or password with anyone and make sure to use a strong and unique password. Also, make sure to keep your browser and wallet extension up to date to protect yourself from any security vulnerabilities. In conclusion, setting up an Axie Infinity Ronin wallet is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can create a secure wallet and start managing your Axie Infinity assets. Remember to always keep your seed phrase and password safe and use best practices to protect your wallet from any security threats.